Unlucky merch drop is live right now. I just dropped it on Instagram a day ago. You guys are fucking late. So get on it, buy some stuff if you like it. If not, it's okay. Still love you. But go check it out in the link below to gbspeedshop.com, and welcome to this uncut ride along with my boy Pedro.
Gatorade just hanging out in here.
Yep, I do.
That's great.
I don't know what I'm gonna do with that.
Yeah, what? I'm just gonna hold it.
Yeah, it's fine. That's good. All right, boys. You guys remember Pedro? So Pedro helped me put in the turbo and got that fucking bolt out that just was being an absolute shit bag, and I forever thank him. But he's never been in the car like since we've gotten it tuned and done. He went out on the base.
Oh yeah, and it's been like how many months now?
Like, I don't know, a while, like 4 months probably since I've had it. And so I'm just gonna give him a ride real quick. We have a squad brunch going on. I'm filming that too, by the way. I'm bringing the camera. And it's gonna be a good old day. But
Good old Sunday, boys.
we're just gonna give him some beans real quick. Hopefully there's no cops, because that would be unfortunate. Oh, new tires too. They're RT660s.
Oh, nice.
So they actually hook a little bit.
Why do you have so many lights on? Okay, airbag, traction control, check engine, TPMS, your door light. What's going on?
My door is not actually like out. I slammed the hood too hard and it fucking broke the thing that like, so it thinks my hood is open, not my door. But apparently that has a door sensor too, which thank God it does.
Yeah, they're all supposed to.
Is this okay to go right?
All right, rip it.
Okay. Think we're good?
Yeah, what are we at?
Is there construction people here, or are they just
No, dude, no.
Okay. Here we go.
Oh yeah. Nice. Wow. That's fucking awesome.
That's pretty good, right?
Yeah.
That's not bad.
This thing feels like a go-kart.
Yeah, it kind of is.
Wow. I can't imagine like when you go single port 85, it's gonna be ridiculous.
I don't know if I need any more power. Like, I know it's not crazy, but it's like, it's more than enough for this little thing. You don't need to be like that picks up speed fast enough.
This thing handles really well. Oh yeah. Yeah, but who doesn't want more power?
I mean, everybody wants more power, but is it like worth it?
Do we need the power?
Do we need the power?
Do we need the power? Yeah, this thing rips.
That's pretty sick, dude.
Awesome.
It's like the perfect like level of power. Like, I know that it's
it's a lot torqueier than I expected, right? It's pretty fucking torquey.
It didn't lose the torque that it had with stock.
Yeah, that's awesome. That's good. That's fucking good.
But yeah, I just wanted you to feel it because you helped me fucking get it on, and I've been waiting to, like, you know.
Yeah, I know.
Don't hear that noise?
Oh, the rear brakes?
Yeah.
So it sucks. We gotta do those.
Well, I mean, at some point, I hope, but we'll see.
Are your rotors just clapped?
Yeah. Everything's clapped.
Yeah, awesome.
Yeah, it's really fun.
Oh my god. There's no chill in this thing.
No, dude. It's a little like feisty. It's a little squirrely.
It's spicy, dude. It's spicy.
It is spicy.
Super spicy.
But it's so when I took it to the drag strip the other night, I get more traction on the street than I do at the drag strip. How the f does that make any sense? I don't understand that.
I think it's supposed to be the other way around, but
I know. That's what I'm saying. I don't understand what the fuck is happening. But
did your car feel slower at the drag strip?
yeah, I just got no traction. So.
Oh yeah, this is
Damn, dude. This is the first time I've gone through the corners with these tires.
Oh yeah,
that feels pretty. That feels gripped up.
Grips.
Oh, and the cage. I haven't really.
Oh yeah,
I haven't really
this thing
done.
is awesome.
Yeah, I forgot
it looks
about
really
that.
good. I like the color scheme on it.
Dude, and it actually like doesn't match anything, but it looks good still somehow.
I think if you got maybe like your wheels that color.
That color?
Yeah, your wheels that color to match.
Fuck no.
It'd be kind of hard.
I mean, it would be hard, but.
Don't ask me. It works.
That was a solid shift. I didn't even lose any boost. That was pretty good. But yeah, dude, that's what I'm.
No, it feels great, man. This thing's a little fucking rocket.
It's gonna be good on like a road course, I think. That's where it's really gonna be like, that's
time trials. I feel like this thing's gonna do really well. And once you do actual suspension tuning, and then actually deal with PSIs and your tire and whatnot, and get it just set for time attack.
Yeah,
It's
fully dialed.
really well.
Yeah,
Yeah.
this is what I don't know. I don't even know what
Because you haven't
pressure I'm running.
checked your coilovers for any sort of.
These aren't even coilovers. These are just springs.
Oh really?
I have to get. I'm planning on getting coilovers, I think, but it's like these feel so good already.
Yeah,
like,
they do feel pretty good.
It's like, do I need the coilovers $1,000? I don't know if I need to drop it. 'Cause I already did it.
I think you do. If you want to be serious about doing time attack, I think suspension's like one of your biggest keys.
I know. Maybe later. Look at our little squad of cars, dude. Time for you to go get a car. He's got a, well, what do you have right now?
So I have a Toyota Camry as my daily. It's a 2000 Toyota Camry.
Yes.
Most reliable car. And then I have a 2004 Chevy Silverado 1500, full long travel in the front, full long travel in the rear. That's kind of what I'm playing with right now, and I'm gonna probably start throwing power at it. So I want to do a 6-liter swap with a cam, fun stuff with that. But there's stuff I gotta do first. So.
All right, dude. Well, I'm glad you enjoyed it.
Well, thank you for having me.
Yeah.
This thing rips, and I am stoked that I was able to help you get that bolt out.
Thank you. For real.